Okay, we got 3 minutes until the market open. But more importantly, ladies and gentlemen, I fucking did it. After the previous 2 losing days that were very hard, I pretty much had lost hope at this point for that challenge, but turns out we did get a good market after all. So after in total 200 positions, win rate of 40%, average risk to reward 1.7, average loss 440, average profit 750. We had this day of 12k. The market was just amazing. I actually missed the EU session, and there were very good opportunities there. Unfortunately, I couldn't trade at that time, but after that, the US session turned out very well, and basically the starting point for the day was started at 93,200, basically minus 7% and up until the target. So in the afternoon I streamed the big short, as I call it, on the DAX. This was yeah, about right here. So this inability to continue the trend. We were still in bearish structure. We had we had bearish divergence. So I sold, and amazingly I took profit about right before the market turned. My idea was to target the levels below, but at this point it wasn't happening, and I had a big drawdown to climb off. So yeah, it turned out very well timed exit. And after that we had the complete unwinding, especially in the Nasdaq. I patiently waited for this to fail. I was seeing a lot of divergence, and I just knew that something like this was coming, similar to the previous days, and I took advantage of it. Let's look at some of the trades here. So we had the market start very choppy, no movement at all. Then we had a push up. I wasn't able to trade that, and I'm happy that I didn't get chopped up here. But we continued pushing. I was still skeptical, so I waited, and after the market started unwinding, I started placing trades. Had a few sells here. Then I saw the divergence, started buying. 2 buying positions here as well. And finally, this is where I took 2% risk just because I knew this was my A plus setup. At this point I was at 98k, so I had a lot of drawdown to work for the day, and I decided this is the time, these are the conditions I want. This is the market falling, retracing here, sort of an ABC type of move, failing to make new highs after that. And at this point I knew that once it continues lower it's gonna be brutal, and that's why I started selling after I saw my A plus setups. And in here I had a couple of positions just because I reached the target, but by the time I closed the positions the market moved slightly, so I was $300 under the target, and then made one final trade, again selling here, after which the market just continued pushing lower for another 100 points. So yeah, that's how it happened. It took a bit more time than expected, but still 2 weeks. Had a lot of frustrating moments, especially here in these lows, and most importantly the point that I got to was 4.6, so basically one trade away, and I decided to push it, and I basically went all the way down to -7, which is crazy, but everything turned out great in the end. This is not the first time I have this kind of profit for one day. I've achieved 10% in one day previously to pass the challenge, but failed the verification after that. So yeah. These are the trades from yesterday. This is a 2% one. These are the DAX trades that were the big short. At some point I'm gonna do a video on the entire journey that I had. Basically starting with a bit more conservative approach, targeting 1% a day. But as the market progressed and started giving better opportunities, I was okay with risking more. This led to bigger losing days than usual, but of course bigger winning days as well. The big consecutive losing days were hard to stomach at points, but as you can see, just continuing on with following the strategy worked out very well. I managed to get good trades in the best conditions that I could for my strategy, and it turned out very well. So in total 11 trading days, and now we're off to the funded. So let me switch accounts and see where the market is going today. Well, unfortunately, while I was giving the update, the market shot down about 150 points, 140. So at this point, I don't feel like chasing. I did actually kind of expect this to happen, to have a big continuation day to the downside. So yeah, really unfortunate, I guess. I wish I could have been part of this, but we'll see what happens on the pullback. So let's mark some levels. So the day started with a gap down. So we have our daily highs about here. And currently coming off of the daily lows. Looks like this week could close very bearish. If we start seeing a break of this range, then this is gonna be very bad. We could expect, let's say, a 10% correction, maybe a 5 up to here. Yeah, so about a 5 is up to the lows. Definitely very weak market at the moment. We do see divergence on the 15-minute. Higher lows while price is going lower. So at some point today we're gonna see some type of retracement here. Would be nice to see the market try to reclaim the London Open. But at this point we're still selling off, making lower lows. The rest of the indices are super weak as well. VIX is just out of this world pumping right now. Looks like this week could end very weak. But yeah, that's a big spike. There's a lot of fear in the market right now. Euro and GU are recovering somewhat. I feel like the dollar could break this level here. We have yet another divergence out of the lows.
comes trouble, putting on a show. Like a domino, I fall. Another bottle.
Damn, just keep selling off. No good opportunities to get in.
I know you're all that I want, but I don't even know your name. So don't go and leave me lonely. I'll show you another way. And you say it's a one-night thing.
At this point, I think that this accumulation here could prove to be a bit of support. We have moved straight down, no pullbacks. So it's very possible that we do get a, let's say, 100-point pullback.
Eyes wide open, holding out for you. Tell me that it's true. Oh, did you notice? I saw you over there, looking like a heartbreaker. I know you're all that I want, but I don't even know your name. So don't go and leave me lonely. I'll show you another way. And you say it's a one-night thing, but I want something more than that. So don't go and leave me lonely. I'll show you another way.
Definitely still diverging.
So don't go and leave me lonely. I'll show you another way.
I kind of want to see us break this trend line more convincingly. currently reacting off the previous low, and we made new lows for the day as well. Okay, so this was a good point to buy, but a bit too late for me now. I was looking at a 1-to-1.
Top rappers 쌤이야 우야 우야 이제 나 18 근데 벌써 200만 우야 우야 I'm on the track feel like nobody I need someone in a bit for the marveling I don't go back so I guess a Bugatti You know what I do you're the yakis a party 우야 실이 아닌데 나는 한국에서 몇 샷 우야 노래하다 쉽게 가묻혔어 지금 몇 샷 우야 재미없어 전부 다 꺼져 이게 몇 샷 우야 우야 Yeah go fast in the road can't touch my mom 난 무대 위에 성켜 chains on my mom It's on and on 끝난 줄 알았어 시야 나는 재미없는 걸 제일 못해요 왜 You cannot be fucked with this 내 앞에서만 만들어 터미널 나 그냥 러빙처럼 I'm running 넌 내가 뜨면 너네 처음부터 ominous Guess I'm a liar 말이 많이지 there's on fire 날 못하는 애들 전부 fire 없잖아 busy so fucking tired Oh 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 I made some new shit 알아봐 부시 이게 진짜 never movie 나 진짜 되겠어 wanna be all over bro 내가 만들어 feeling it Wow how I do Run around on my city I'm from KR no gun but chitty Bang 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 like a big bang feel like I'm titty yeah 이렇게 나 왜 이제 올라갈 거야 난 저 위에 할 거면 제대로 해 이제 길에서 들릴 걸 내 노래 Top rappers 쌤이야 우야 우야 이제 나 18 근데 벌써 200만 우야 우야 I'm on the track feel like nobody I need someone in a bit for the marveling I don't go back so I guess a Bugatti You know what I do you're the yakis a party 우야 실이 아닌데 나는 한국에서 몇 샷 우야 노래하다 쉽게 가묻혔어 지금 몇 샷 우야 재미없어 전부 다 꺼져 이게 몇 샷 우야 우야 No mountains too high No oceans too wide I take a leap of faith for you I touch the sky No city's too big No river's too deep I cross the universe for you my love I would die I don't know when do we lose control Stuck in the same old place Trying to make some sense I don't know when do we lose control Stuck in the same old place Trying to make some sense Another hot one. Shit up.
So on this pullback here, we're now making higher high with divergence. I was expecting another attempt to come down here. Unfortunately, it's just continuing, so pretty much missed the base of this. The idea was to start buying here. I was looking for a 1-to-1, so 25 points, but instead it just went for 70 to the upside. First 30 minutes closed very bearish, and finally we had the rejection. So yeah, the market did move 100 points from the lows. There we have it, another higher high with divergence, and we get the signal to sell. Got a bit of a late entry. I'm not liking where the stop is.
I'm running on diesel, baby, I'm active. Shawty wanna know what's happening. Baby, no cap, I'm captain. Honey, no rings on me, ain't bagging. Diesel, feeling I'm massive. I kill it like Shaq, I'm shacking. That little bitch, she savage. Hit it on top all night, I'm damaged. Bomb, 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 bomb. Feeling I'm massive. Feel it like bomb, 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 bomb. I just wait a while, wait a while, wait a while. I just wait a while, wait a while, wait a while. I just wanna wait a while, wait a while, wait a while. I just wanna wait a while, wait a while, wait a while. I'm running on diesel, baby, I'm active. Shawty wanna know what's happening.
So I took a 1-to-1 here. I don't feel like this is gonna continue lower to retest the lows of today currently. We're still making bullish structure, at least for this pullback.
I just wait a while,
Okay, I may be wrong. This is a weak market, so we could easily make new lows. I'm gonna close here for another 1-to-1. And I think this is gonna conclude it for the session. 0.5% is pretty good. At this point here, after this higher high with divergence, getting a signal to sell out of the overbought, I was considering this to be the continuation, and turns out it is. I know I'm gonna make we're gonna make new lows probably here, or just retest. And I waited patiently for this to show me that it's breaking out, and it usually does this breakout in the wrong direction first and then the right. However, in the bigger picture, I'm still considering this to be an ABC type of ABCD type of correction, and I think we could see, yeah, if this is our retest, we could now see another move up. So that's why I was quick to close the position for a safe 1-to-1 instead of waiting for new lows. And that will be it for now. I'm gonna make another video explaining a bit more of the journey and the goals that I have for the future. So yeah, so far so good today. Made the first 0.5% in the funded account. So I feel a bit happy to close out this week with a massive win. I'm not sure if I'm gonna trade the US session. After the 2 weeks of grinding the verification, I think it's better to just take a break, enjoy life a bit, and I'll see you, well, not Monday, but I'll see you next time then.